He emptied his savings, sold his assets, went into serious financial debt, all because he believed one big trade, could fix everything. But instead, it broke him completely. If you've ever thought, just one more trade and I'll be back, this video might just save your trading career or your life. Welcome back to Proving the Markets. Today, we're not talking strategy, we're talking survival. Because risking it all in Forex isn't brave, it's a trap. And traders who fall into it, most don't come back. Hi, I'm Kojaks Pro, a seasoned swing trader who has been in this game for over 3.5 years. I've seen it all, and I know a lot when it comes to challenges regarding Forex trading. I do well to share a lot of them on this channel so that everyone that is wanting to enter Forex can be aware of these challenges right from the outset, so you know what you're getting yourself into and know how to go about it in the most profitable way. It hurts me to see traders believing the lie that is sold on social media about the fast riches that is attached to Forex, and more so throwing away risk management, which is the most vital component of this game, trading. Risk management is everything. And in this story that I heard about someone that risked all of his assets, sold off all of his assets just to trade Forex, and now he's found himself in a very decrepit state, wondering if he can carry on or not. I'll be talking about all that in this video and more. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Now let's get into the video. The all-in-one trade looks like a shortcut. It promises redemption, a fix, a way to erase all the pain and losses. But markets aren't emotional. They don't care if you're down bad. And if you're trading from a place of fear or desperation, the market smells it and punishes it. That one trade is usually the one that finishes you. Let's be real. When you go all in, it's not about the trade. It's about trying to fix something emotional with money. Maybe it's shame, maybe it's fear of failure, maybe it's trying to prove someone wrong. But when your trades are emotionally fueled, you're not trading, you're gambling. The worst part, win or loss, you just fed the cycle. Risking 100% of your account means you only need to be wrong once to lose everything. Even a 10% risk per trade means you're playing Russian roulette with your future. Pro traders, they don't survive always because they're always right. They survive because they manage risk religiously. I've seen traders disappear. One guy I knew turned 5k to 50k in a month, and then in just 3 days, everything disappeared. Worse, I've read messages, traders thinking of ending it all because they couldn't handle the pressure. Or the news of this one guy, actually a teacher from Ghana, that spent most of his life assets in trading investments, only just to lose it all. And now he's wondering whether he can carry on with life. It's quite pathetic to see this type of stories still happening, even in this enlightened world of Forex trading. And that's why I'm here in this Forex space, to cut out the fluff that hinders a lot of traders from not progressing in this game. If that guy, peradventure, had gone through my channel at least for a month, he will not make that kind of investment. I'm very well assured of that because I know my stuff. I know the kind of impact I'm going to give you that will prevent all the nuances that wrecks a lot of traders from happening to you. I've put a link of this guy's story in the description. Click it, go and watch it. Trading isn't just about money, it's about mental health. Risking it all puts your life on the line, literally. Here's what real trading looks like. Risk 1 to 2% per trade, non-negotiable. Accept that losses are part of the game. It's the cost of doing business. Build systems, not emotions. Never trade to get even. You might just see yourself spiraling into revenge trading and eventually blowing your accounts. And if you're emotionally wrecked, step back. Don't trade for a day or even for a week. A reset is better than a ruin. If you've ever felt tempted to risk it all, you're not alone. But please, don't become a cautionary tale. Download the Trader Rebuild guide below if you're trying to bounce back the right way. Comment reset if you're building your trade process from the ground up. I'm Kojaks Pro. You are watching Proving the Markets. Let's trade smarter, not harder.